Hello, hello, hello. Hola, hola, hola. In today's Spanish class, we are going to go over a bottle of flavored water. Agua con sabor. Now, we're not going to go over every word on the bottle. We're just going to touch on the words that are the most used in everyday language and the most used in the restaurant world to help you order at a restaurant, at a cafe, or buy something at a grocery store. So let's jump right into it. Let's start at the very top with the word agua mineral. Agua means water. Mineral, mineral water. Now, obviously, the first thing that's going to come to mind is that in English, you say mineral water. Well, in Spanish, a lot of times the words are opposite to in English. So in Spanish, you would say it, agua mineral, mineral water. Agua mineral. Very good. The date of this company, 1904. In Spanish, you would say 1904. 1904. 1904. Underneath that, reserva protegida. Reserva protegida. Reserva means reserve. Protegida is protected. So protected reserve. Reserva protegida. One more time. Reserva protegida. Very good. So you go to a restaurant, you want to sound fancy to the waiter, you ask for agua mineral de una reserva protegida. He's going to look at you like he doesn't know what the heck you're talking about. But that's okay, you do. So, this water is Congas, with gas. Con is with, gas is the same, gas. Carbonated in English. Con gas. So you want water that's carbonated, you ask for agua mineral con gas, with gas. Very good. Underneath con gas, it says, un toque de sabor a limón. Un toque de sabor a limón. With a touch of lemon flavor. With a touch of lemon flavor. Sabor is flavor. A limón, same as in English, lemon. Sabor a limón. Sabor, flavor, lemon. Lemon flavor. Sabor a limón. Very good. Here's an image of lemons. Limón. Lemon. Limón. Very good. All right, so here, let's look at these marketing words. Agua mineral. Mineral water. Agua mineral. Mineral water. Saborizado con. Saborizado con. Flavored with. Sabor natural. Again, it would be backwards in English. You would say in English, natural flavor. But in Spanish, you say sabor, which is flavor. Sabor. Natural. Natural flavor. Sabor natural. De limón, of lemon. Natural flavor of lemon. Let's say it one more time. Sabor natural de limón. Very good. This is another way of saying this. Con gas. Or you can say gasificada. Gasificada. with gas, carbonated in English. Gasificada means the same as con gas. Very, very good. Now this is some kind of certification. It says it right here. Similar to in English, right? Certificada. Certified. Certificada. Certified. But I think even the more important word here is this one. Empresa. Means company. Empresa. Company. Muy bien. All right, on the back of the bottle, let's start at the very top with the main word.